ever found yourself struggling to take products out of the machine, spending much time than you should, then you're not alone.
So the very first thing you need to do is select one product from the machine. So as we can see, there are lots of products in the machine. There are chips, there are chocolates, there are gums. So, and also we can see on the specific product there are also lots of numbers also. So for that product the number is A2, A4, A6. These are just for examples. So if I want to take a product out, I need to type in a number in the buttons to take the product out. So I'm going to have a Rice Krispies for me. So the number for that product is D9.
So you select the product that you want. So for an instance, we're taking a product from D9, line D. So I'm taking the product from D9. You type in the product D9, the price appears on the screen. You tap it, the card here, you tap any of your payment card here.
So after my friend Gigi has done the payment process for the Rice Krispies, the product will be right here. So let's check. So it's right here and we are done with it, and now we will enjoy the Rice Krispies.
Here is the Rice Krispies, good for eating now.